on the channel, and today we are going to be looking at a glitch. Well, let's just not call it a bug, otherwise Chillthrill is going to patch it. So it's a glitch, and I have a saved file of it, so I'm just going to be looking at that on my other screen. And I'm going to show you guys how to build it. I'm going to load one in, because I have it made. This one right here. So this is what I will be showing you guys how to make this monstrosity right here. You see this? You're going to be using this. And before I do show you how to make this, I'm going to show you how damn crazy this thing is. Now, you launch, and then God damn it. And then it's actually really easy to make, and so is it to control. Well, not really to control, but it is easy to make. And yeah, I don't even think this is my base. No, this is not my base. This is literally the green tape. Look, I've literally gone to someone else's team. Look at this. How did I even do this? And if you want the instructions to this, well, get noob. Actually, no, I will give you the instructions. But if you want, you can just get a screenshot of the glitch that I've already showed you. Anyways, time to show you how to build this. So, the first thing you're going to need is a servo. But the best step of this whole thing is you have it on anchor. On anchor. So that it's not anchored. And if you don't want to have to ready up the water, you place a block. But I just like the music of launching, so I don't really do that. But you can do whatever you want for your one. I mean, like, you can, I don't know, you can fucking, oh god, I hate when I swear. But I'm just gonna have to deal with it, because I'm not going to re-record every video I make with a swear word in it. Okay, I'm not going to remake. Just gotta be like my favourite YouTuber. One of my favourite YouTubers, Are You Super Serial? Hashtag not a shout out. The reason it's not a shout out is because he had nothing to do with this. So, like, yeah. And And stick to the end of the video and you'll get the 100 digits of pi. Not the song, by the way. Okay. Now, time to add that. And once you have done that, you have to get another servo, just like this little Y. And if you started from the first part to the last part, then it should already be the right way around for you. I think I might actually have to get a block for this. Okay. This. Oh gosh, what have I done? Oh yeah, if you have OCD problems, don't watch this part. Don't watch the part that just happened. Oh god. Okay. Now we're ready for the servo. So, got to get the servo. Yes, it's a servo. Oh, yeah. Okay, now that we have that done, servo again, same way. Boom, like that. It's easy peasy, lemon zabibi ziggy. And then the button, well actually, button this way, but yeah. And then we get the button. And you're gonna have to get a magnet, because you need a magnet for this glitch. And this is your weird and wacky flying device, but that's not it. There's one more thing. So if you're complaining that it didn't work, that's because you didn't damn listen. We've also got this thing. And we are done. Now, from here, do that. Boom, wham bam, Chipotle ma'am. We are now at the red team's area. You can also drive it around on there, but most of the time it'll be sideways. And not really that easy to control, to be honest with you. It's actually pretty hard. Bling, bling. And yeah, a lot of the times you gotta turn the magnet back on because it just doesn't work half the goddamn time. What are the chances of this happening? Oh my god. Oh! Jeez. Well, yeah. That's how to build a flying glitch and build a boat for treasure. But if you want something more simple, turn off anchor block. You don't even need to turn it back on after you've done that. You just need to place a wooden chair. It starts with a starter item. And I'm pretty sure you also get a hinge from the start, which you're going to need to make this. Which is in the star area. And the star is the interactive. And then, all you gotta do is this. That. And that. And then you're climbing on a hinge that just follows you around. And when you jump, yeah, you go backwards. I think it broke. I am the speed. Death I have received. I have received death. Death. Yay. Oh my gosh. That is it for this video. But you know how in the start I said if you watch to the end, you'll get the 100 digits of pi? Well, here it is. It's not going to be that fast because I only just got the information for them. 3.14159, 2653589, circumference over diameter 69323, 846253, 38 and 32, 7950, and then a 2, 88 and 41, 671, 69399, then 3751, halfway done. 058 058 219 774, then 94459 23078 164 0628 62 we're getting through 0899 8628034 82 then 53 42 11 7 and 67. That is it for this video. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye. Why is my camera not turning off? Listen. Leave this video right now. But 5 seconds. I'm about I'm totally not going to reveal a secret. You know what? No. Not letting you see this. No. Nope.